Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be not actually in our normal world that we have a series on. We're in creative mode for one reason. We're gonna be trying to build like a waterfall or something. I never tried that, so yeah, let's try and do that. So we definitely need a water bucket and we need some blocks. Let's just grab like anything, polished andesite or anything. Okay, so now I do know that I have to build like a line down here. I know that, and I'm gonna make it, and not that tall, like it's just a normal waterfall. And so yeah, let's now no, actually we need these. Now the water's gonna go down like down here, so let me just remove these trees real quick. Okay, anyways, we don't care about them. Let's just now. It's the water goes, I think so, down 2 blocks. I don't know how much, but yeah, that's gonna be the episode for today. I don't know why I just thought of this idea. I never built like an actual waterfall once in Minecraft, so yeah, we're doing it today. And so yeah, it's kind of interesting. We're not always in our series, Minecraft series. So yeah, let's just go a little bit. Oh, I thought I was surviving and I could mine that iron. Let's just mine down. And it looks like it appears to be a cave right here. Let's just cover it with our polished andesite or whatever. So let's try from here. I mean, we could always dig. So let's just keep putting the water. This looks really nice, actually. Not bad. Yeah, looks kind of nice, actually. Okay, we're gonna go dig further down. The cave's right here. Okay, let's just keep mining, you know? Let's just keep digging down and see how this will go. Like now it's way different because there's no blocks. It just stays floating, like one part like this is floating, and then though it just goes underwater. I just threw my polished andesite or andesite, whatever. And so yeah, let's just keep mining. I don't have an editing app, so I can't edit and cut videos. So I just have to keep doing it like this, unless I can get one. Maybe. If I get one, I'll definitely. Edit my videos, so it would be way interesting for you guys. Let's just keep mining. This should be good, right? We're kind of deep, actually. Okay, well, what I want to do is get it more like this, so it can float more inside the mine. So as you can see right here, it just floats into the mine. That's me always in my Minecraft series. Like, you see when I never hold shift, I always fall. Like, I hold shift like this. I'm not gonna purpose it. And fall. But when I hold shift like this, I'm not used to it, and I'm not gonna purposely fall. I was not meant to get one stack of 4 blocks. I'm meant to go 4s. I'm not gonna fall. I'm not doing it on purpose. Now let me go up here. Happens nothing. We put blocks right here, and that's definitely a waste. Let's not do that. What if we break these blocks down here? Then we connect it down here, Water will also go down here. The edges are not getting covered with water because not good water there. If we put, oh yeah, that's definitely, look at this water piece. Yeah, if we put one, okay, the edge is definitely working. Yeah, you know what, let's just try and make a portal. Why not? Oh wait, there's advancements in creativity. Wow, let's make the lava plate. Let's just keep, it's like a lava pit, but it's just squared. It's normally not like this. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, it should be enough. And then we break that. Now I don't have a bucket, actually I'm gonna need that, because a bucket to remove the water. So I also know another way to make the nether portal. And so yeah, so let's just put... No, I was not meant to do that. I'm such an idiot. I was not meant to do that. Oh my gosh, I'm such an idiot. Okay, let's just keep doing this. Okay, this should be enough, right? Yeah, right? Definitely, right? Yeah, if we especially do it this way. Wow, the pig might even come inside this lava and then get cooked pork chop. Why is there moving? Okay, now it's good. Is this one not good? Okay, it is. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. We go like this. We go like this. We grab this. Let's just do that one. I can't place a block when I'm crouching. Okay. So. Oh wait, it doesn't work that way. I didn't even need to. No. No, I was not meant to do that. I was meant to dig 2 blocks like that. And then, so, wait. I think it's like this, right? Yeah. Oh no! Okay. Okay, now this should be enough. Okay, now it's good. Okay, so I think I should end this episode over here. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Please smash that like button and subscribe if you're new. And see you guys in the next one. Bye.